Has there been a predictable path that these firms are following in terms of how CRM has evolved?
Yeah, there's usually parallel paths that are occurring at the same time. But what I would say over and over again, the firms that are succeeding, the place that most have begun is with the data problem. So many of them are saying in order to modernize and transform our experiences, we first have to understand one, who are the personas that have pain, friction, not a great experience. Typically, it's usually the advisor, the end client, and the middle office operations support staff or service associate. The second thing they do is they study the journey and then they say, all right, what kind of data do we need to enhance this experience? And what they start to find is that they have some of the data. Others, they have pockets of data that live with various third-party solutions. None of the systems talk to one another. And so any number of these personas have a swivel chair, let me re-enter data 5 times type of an experience. And they recognize they have to start there and fix it. And so what they do, many of them we're starting to see will say, hey, okay, let's clean slate this. We need to have a single source of truth across all our lines of business for the data.